ball thing. That's how I get back. Uh-oh. Don't touch... I don't know if there was acid there. Why am I sideways? Glow bugs. Oh. How the glow bugs light up the hallway is just like... I feel kind of bad for like destroying them. Ugh. I don't like wasps. Ah, we haven't gone down yet. First, we gotta destroy these mushrooms because they make this awesome explosion. Oh yeah! What is this? Power up. You have downloaded a map for this area. Plus is the map. Zoom out. So orange is everywhere that I've been. Wow, this is a pretty big place. I hope they don't force me to run away again like they did in the beginning. That was stressful, man. I don't have the ball yet. I can't. Wait, I just came from here? Yeah. Jump. Oh boy. We got quite the adventure ahead of us. I'm so glad that I haven't played this as a kid. This is like all fresh, brand new. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. Map. Zoom out. Where was that seismic activity? Seismic? Oh yeah, so we'll have to go to that other door that I remember now. There was another door. Which way did I come from? Oh gosh. I'm lost. Okay, I came from that way. I got the rockets from there. Okay, moving on. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Ride. Let's go. I don't think I've ever actually heard that song in real life. I just heard other people sing it. What? Can I go through there? I don't have the ball, right? So once I get the ball, I can go through there. Dang it, man. What in circles? All right. Now I know where not to go. Do. Whoa! Big jump. Just look at those textures, though. Ah! What is happening? Holy cow, there's no one here and I'm dying. Game over. I don't know why I keep shooting the light bugs. I kind of like them. I don't know if they hit you or not. Energy full. So that does give me 20 energy. Don't flip around. You're still going up. You're going on up. Bees hand. Man, these things are irritating. We went down, so now we need to go up. Ooh! Outside. Whoa, it moves so fast. I'm just passing through. Oh, there's so many of them! What is that floating in the air over there? About rockets? What is this? How do you shoot the rocket again? Oh, when I become a ball, I can get those. I understand. I need to get the ball. Ooh. Laser eyes. Man, these things are... Jump! Whatever, you guys can't get me. I'm too stealthy. Actually, I wouldn't call it stealth. More like just run and try not to die. What the heck, man? I'm too run and try not to die kind of guy, okay? They're like crabs or something. Why is there so many of them all of a sudden? Okay. So I went into... Can't go there. I saw a door over here. Oh. They look like the little halo things. I have to scan that? Passageway to shrine?
Recording to logbook.
I don't think I gone this way. I didn't have the rocket, so this is new. Oh, these things are irritating. That hit me for 10? Whoa! Oh, there's so many of them. Whatever. Whatever. I am not intimidated. Hey, the little ball thing. I hope the ball thing is in here, man. It'll make my mood like... The ball! Yeah, come on, man. The boss, too. This is the dung beetle, I think. Oh, gosh. So many of them. Holy cow, why are there so many of them? I can't move. Dung beetles everywhere. What is the red stuff? Well, yeah, let's try that. We got better weapons. Oh, there he is! I gotta shoot him in the butt! The glowing butt beetle. Oh my gosh!
Can you beat the gate?
Hopefully. Holy cow, he annihilated his butt! Wow, I killed him fast. That's the first time in my whole life. Actually, it's the second time I ever fought that guy, so. Whoa! The power! Now I can go places, man. We have the morph ball. Press Y to activate the morph ball. Oh yeah, it feels so good to have this guy back. What is this? Oh, he's hard to control. Now we can go places. What is this? What am I locking on to? When the drums kick in, you know it's gonna get real. We're done, Beatles. Wow, we just keep coming back. This is as far as I made it, and then I shut the game off on the Wii console. Whoa, bees up there. Oh,